Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to fix this old 8N I have here. It's an old Ford 51-year model, I think, and it's got this pain in the ass link, so I'm gonna put an actuator on there. Last owner put a hydraulic pump that I have never used, so I went and searched all over YouTube, couldn't find anything specific to this model. So I found what I hope is a good actuator and hoses and connections, and I have not tested the pump, so we'll see if the pump works as far as putting out the pressures, and let's see if we can make this hydraulic. Good times. This is what I came up with. I tried to find the cheapest actuator I could get out there. This is a Maxter. It's made in Ukraine, from what I understand. It was something I found on YouTube, on eBay. As far as the hoses, I just got 2 1/2-inch diameter 30 length hoses, and the connectors, I'll put these on the link if I can find the links, and let's see how it works. Whew. Also, you probably need a spacer, and these I got at Tractor Supply. Nothing fancy, just a reducer. Not gonna work. I see the problem.